Hello everyone and welcome in the next video. Today we are going to do a question from Light. Actually this is a case study and there are 4 questions you have to answer in this case study. So we will see each of them one by one. So let's come to the question. The question is that a student focuses the image of a candle flame on a white screen by placing the flame at various distances from the convex lens. So this student is placing the candle flame at different distances one by one. So there are 5 cases which are given to us. Okay, now the first question says, I have written the question here, in which case the size of the object is same as the size of the image. We have to find out among these 5 the case in which the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Now if we have done, if you all have done the ray diagrams of convex lens, then there is one case where when the object is placed at 2f dash, then the image is formed after refraction at 2f. So I have made the ray diagram here. You can see here when the object AB is our object, we have placed the object at 2f dash. Now we have followed the rules of this convex lens. Then after refraction the image is formed at 2f. You can see the size of the object and the size of the image is same. So it means they were asking the same, that where the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. So it is clear from this ray diagram that the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. So which is this case? Now you see the figure very clearly that this, what is u? Tell me, this is u given to us and this is v given to us. So u is the distance of the object from the lens and v is the distance of the screen from the lens. So we can see here that object is at 2f dash, means center of curvature. Here also the object is, the image is at 2f, means center of curvature. So u and v are equal here. Okay, now come to our cases. The 5 cases are given to us where u and v are equal. U and v are equal in the third case. So the answer of this is case 3. Okay, now the second question is, find the focal length of the lens without using the lens formula. How will you find? Now again we'll study our cases. In the same case, case 3, we know that the distance of optical center and 2f dash or center of curvature is called as radius of curvature. So it means from case 3 we got r is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, from here we can find out the focal length. Focal length is equal to r by 2. So this will be 30 upon 2, that is 15 centimeter. So we got it without using the lens formula from case number 3. Now the fourth part is that in which case the size of the images is smaller than the size of the object. We have to find out in these cases that where the size of the image is smaller than the size of the object. So I have drawn, for this I have drawn this figure, this ray diagram. You see in this ray diagram I have kept the object beyond 2f dash. So if by using the rules, what I have done is I got the image here between f and 2f. So whenever the object is beyond 2f dash, then the image is between f and 2f and it is smaller than the object. You can see the image formed is smaller, and they were asking us in the third part that when the image will be smaller. Okay, now find out our cases. Here u is 60. 60 means it is more than 2f. Because we know 2f is 30 centimeter. From case 3 it is clear that the distance of 2f from optical center is 30 centimeter. तो it does means that जो भी 30 सेंटीमीटर से ज़्यादा होंगे वो सारे के सारे beyond 2f dash काउंट होंगे and उनकी जो images बनेंगी, their images will be between f and 2f. So what we can say is that case number 1 and case number 2, both the cases, in both these cases the images will be smaller than the size of the object, because in both these cases the object is beyond 2f dash. Matlab u is more than 30. Okay, 40 and 60. Is it clear to everyone? Now the last question which comes here is that out of these 5 cases, which one is incorrect? So incorrect cases के लिए what we will do is see first case we have done, second we have done correct, third already we have discussed. Now see the fourth one. अगर हम fourth की बात करें, here u is 24. 24 means it is kept somewhere between f and 2f. कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ बीच में रखा हुआ है, ठीक है. And v is 40. v is 40 means the image is forming beyond 2f dash. यहाँ कहीं बन रही है image. So it means it is correct because whenever the object is kept between f and 2f, then the image is formed behind 2f. Okay. So this is also correct. Case number 4 is also correct. Now let's look at case number 5. In case number 5, u is given to us as 15. 15 means what was 15? 15 was our focal length. It means the object is kept at focus. Now we know in case of convex lens, whenever the object is kept at focus, then the image is formed at infinity. Okay, now here what is given to us? See the data, this data 70 is given to us. 70 centimeter means they are saying V is 70 centimeter, which is wrong. V should be, it should be infinity. The image should be formed at infinity. So case number 5 is wrong. Thank you so much for watching the video.